not seen that one before. This is a water heater element. 24, it's 220, 3500 watt. It should be U-shaped, and it burned in two. It's got a lot of buildup on it, and the part that burnt off is down inside the water heater tank. So, I've not seen it, but you know, you live long enough, you see a lot of things you haven't seen before. And this is what we're doing. We're going to go get a replacement for it. That's the difference between a 3500 watt that is in good shape and one that is in bad shape. Something missing in this. Do you see what it is? Anyway, there you go.